Assalamualaikum, ich bin Usman und ich lerne die deutsche Sprache. Ich bin aus Pakistan. I am Usman from Pakistan and I am learning German language. Do you know in German language we say ananas and in Urdu language we say ananas. Both of this means pineapple. In German language we say doctor and in Farsi Persian language we say doktor. Both of this means daughter. In German language we say nicht and in Pashto language we say nishta. Both of this means not. Nevertheless, this is our day 20 of German language speaking challenge, and in this day I have some ayah from Surah Al-Fatiha, Quran Majid, and then there is a motivational joke, and then there is a tongue twister. So ayah from Surah Al-Fatiha, Quran Majid are alles Lob gebührt Allah, dem Herrn, dem Herrn der Welten, dem Allerbama, dem Barmherzigen, dem Herrscher am Tage des Gerichts, dir allein deinen wir und dich allein bitten wir Hilfe. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds, the most merciful, the most gracious, the Lord of the day of the judgment. It is you who we worship and it is you who we seek help. तमाम तारीफ़ें अल्लाह ताला के लिए हैं, तमाम दुनियाओं का मालिक है, बहुत मेहरबान, बहुत रहीम, बहुत रहमान, बहुत रहीम है, यौमुद्दीन का मालिक है। या अल्लाह तेरी ही हम इबादत करते हैं और तुझी से मदद मांगते हैं। And then there is a motivational joke. It goes, was sagte der Bleistift zum Radiergummi? Danke, dass du immer bereit bist. Fälle zu meine Fälle zu korrigieren. Zusammen schaffen wir jede Kunstwerk. What did the pencil say to the eraser? It says, thank you for always being there to help me and correct my mistakes. Together we can create a good piece of art, a good work of art. And finally, I have a tongue twister from German language. It is acht alte Meisen aßen am Abend Ananas. 8 old ants ate pineapple in the evening. So this was my day 20 of German language speaking challenge, and of course it is working somewhat. I am improving my speaking, I am improving my pronunciation in German language. Nevertheless, अगर आप में से कोई, if any of you want to learn Urdu language from German countries, they can contact me, or we can also interact with each other in the comments. And your encouragement and inspiration is always required. Jazakumullah khair.